Downloading Roblox on your Mac is actually really simple. Just follow these easy steps. First, open up your browser and head over to roblox.com/download. Once you're on the site, you'll see a Download Mac app link. Go ahead and click that. If you're using Safari, just hit Allow to start the download. Once it's finished, click the download icon in your browser toolbar. You'll see a file called roblox.dmg. Double-click it to open up the installation window. Now, double-click the Roblox Player Installer icon. You might see a security prompt asking if you're sure you want to open the file. Just click Open. The Roblox installer will pop up and start downloading the game files to your Mac. Let's just give it a moment to finish the setup. When the installation is complete, the Roblox game window will appear automatically. From here, you can log in if you already have an account, or click Create Account to sign up. To create your account, just enter your birthday, pick a username and password, select your gender, and hit Create Account. And that's it! You now have a Roblox account and you're all set to play. One last tip. You can eject the Roblox Player Installer drive and delete the original download file to keep your Mac tidy. Next time you want to play, just hit Command Space to open Spotlight, type in Roblox, and you're good to go.